Well, it's in the kitchen because I can. The bike's been lowered, so now we need to shorten the kickstand. So first I scribe a line to align everything back up when I put it back together. Here's 1.5 inches that I'm going to cut out. There it is. It's a neat way to kind of mark a line evenly around the tube. And here I cut out the 1.5 inches. Notice the end where I cut it is from the foot to the spring holder. Then I chamfer the edge of both pieces to form an angle at the butt joint. I found a piece of electrical conduit. I'm going to add this as a stiffener, so mark it. Then I cut a slice, actually 3 slots out of each end. These are also aligned. I'll show you this in a minute. Yeah, there you go. 3 slots, all aligned with the scribe mark. I take the electrical conduit and put a slice right down the middle of it. Notice it's still a little too little. So a screwdriver solves that problem. Clean out the inside of both ends with a round file, and then take off the paint right around each slot for welding. Also take off the galvanized coating from the conduit. Stick it in one end and then stick it in the other. And look at that, perfect alignment. This foot needs to be cleaned because I have a fancy welding table. Anything that touches the table is grounded, as long as there's a good clean connection. There we go. Nice alignment. Now I'm just going to tack at each slot, bottom, top, and middle. There's the bottom, there's the top, and there's right in the middle at the butt joint. Just tacks here, but then I'll go back around and fill in all the weld. I'm not the best welder, but a grinder is a bad welder's best friend. At least I have the voltage right and the wire feed proper. Clean it up with a finer grit flapper wheel, and then finally the final cleanup on this belt sander. A little bit of glazing putty, and then use self-etching primer on bare metal. Very nice looking. Day later, use some fine steel wool and scratch it up, and then I've got some gloss black Rust-Oleum. And there, a day later again, finished product hanging